Hey guys, Tom here with LPO, and in this video today is just a short one showing an access point to get to the top section of this door panel. So I'm currently working on a Nissan Note for one of our trade accounts, and just here there's a tiny little dent right in the upper section of the door skin. Now sometimes you can go down through the skin and bring a tool back up again like a hook bar to get between the inner brace and the outer skin. On this model it's not possible, so I found an access point on the inside that reaches this dent perfectly. So just there you can see that small dent on the reflection of my line board. By no means a big dent, but it is quite tricky to gain access to. Just there's a high spot which is as far as I can get the bar in underneath the internal brace. So it doesn't come up high enough to reach the dent. Now I'm going to remove this weather strip. You do have to be very careful when you remove these. Quite often there can be a screw around here on the inside door frame, so if you are going to remove a weather strip, do have a good look around and make sure that there's no kind of screws or obvious clips that need to be removed first. You can see just here it tucks underneath the door mirror as well. So I'm just going to start by gently prising off the weather strip. Now these, despite being a rubber on the outside, have a metal frame, I think aluminium. So you do have to be very careful if you start trying to lift it from one side or use a bit too much force. They are very easy to kink. And despite being a dent man, that is some metal that is almost impossible to get back straight again. So I just gently slide that out from underneath the door mirror. I didn't need to remove the mirror or any of the fixings. It's just a case of going slowly and gently pulling out the weather strip. Once I put it back, it will slide back underneath that door mirror, and then I can clip it back into its place. And as we take a look on the inside, now that that strip has been removed, we've got quite a wide gap between the outer skin and the inner door card. And hopefully you can pick it up just here. We've got some overall sized holes on the inner brace of the door skin. And these holes are perfect for getting a small hook bar in to get behind the damage. So this is the hook bar that I'm using today, and it is absolutely perfect for just getting behind this dent. I can slide it down the gap, tilt it, and get the tip through the hole and to the back of the dent. So I've got my right hand on the handle, being right-handed, and that's given me the kind of leverage and the pressure that I need to start working out the dent. And then my left hand is just giving me a bit of accuracy, making sure I can kind of fine-tune and move the tip as I need to start removing this dent. So this is not a dent repair tutorial, purely just a short video to show you an access point and things to look out for if ever you come across dents on the upper section of door panels. But as you can see, it's quite clean access to get behind and really made my life easy to remove this dent. So I hope this video helps. I'm Tom with Learn PDR Online, and I'll see you in the next one.